This is no ordinary roller coaster. The Alpen Coaster was originally built in 1967 as a Wildcat model. After spending decades thrilling guests at a German theme park, it was fully refurbished to tour as a traveling ride. Dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Alpen Coaster. In 360 degrees. You're now climbing the lift hill, a journey of over 13.5 meters, about 44 feet. Soon, you'll be hitting the first drop, reaching speeds of up to 45 kilometers per hour, 28 miles per hour. This coaster combines the classic, nostalgic thrill with a modern flair. Get ready for a series of tight turns, sudden drops and that signature Schwarzkopf Airtime. Hold on tight, because you're about to experience a piece of history. Enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.